Hi everyone, I am Bhavna Sharma, Associate Dean of GKFTII School of Fashion and Design. Today I want to dive into something super exciting, how AI is shaping the future of fashion. Yes, you're right, I'm talking about artificial intelligence. From predicting trends to creating custom designs, AI is revolutionizing the industry in ways we never imagined. Imagine an AI tool that suggests the perfect color palette based on the current market trends, or one that can design a unique outfit just for you. These are skills we teach our students here. At GKFTII, we are not just about fashion, we are about the future of fashion. You will learn to blend creativity with technology, giving you a huge advantage in the industry. So if you are passionate about fashion and excited about innovation, this is the place for you. Let's create the future of fashion together. See you in the class.